All right, this is gonna be a pretty quick video. We're gonna be going over what SaaS is, how you can use it to make money online, and why it's the fastest growing business model in 2023. If you don't know who I am, my name's Connor, and I teach people how to start their own SaaS business using GoHighlevel. I made a completely free course on how to do this, and I have a Discord server. Both of those are gonna be linked down below. SaaS in general means software as a service, and that's basically just any software that's hosted online instead of one that you have to download onto your computer. Some examples you've probably seen before of SaaS are Netflix, Zoom, and Google Docs. And of course, SaaS is one of the fastest growing business models in 2023, and it's easily one of the best businesses that you can start. The profit margins are extremely high, and the workload is pretty low compared to other business models. You're paying one monthly fee for the software. So once you get one client, that covers the software fee, and then every single client after that is basically all profit. These models typically work on a subscription basis, so you're paying for them monthly in order to keep using them. So now that you know what SaaS is, I'm going to explain how you can use something called white label SaaS to start your own software company without knowing anything about coding and get customers to pay you on a monthly recurring basis. So once you get one client, that client will continue to pay you every single month as long as they want to continue using your software or service. So the SaaS software that we're going to be using is called GoHighlevel, and GoHighlevel is an all-in-one business management, automation, and marketing tool for local business that you can white label with your own logo and business name and then sell to as many businesses as you want. GoHighlevel has so many different features. There's an all-in-one text, email, Facebook, and Instagram message inbox. There's a website and funnel builder with thousands of done-for-you templates that you can just grab and edit. There's an automation tab with ChatGPT pre-installed that you can use to automate literally anything inside of your business. It's essentially an internal version of Zapier installed in the software. There's a reputation tab that you can use to manage your Google reviews and also send out automatic Google review requests to any of your customers. And there's just so many other things that GoHighlevel has to offer. I made another video that goes over every single feature and how it works. So I'll link that at the end of the video, but I think you get the idea by now. There's absolutely just so many features that GoHighlevel has to offer that are extremely valuable to these local businesses, especially the ones that aren't using any sort of technology or software. And you'd be pretty surprised at how many businesses out there actually aren't using absolutely any software. Now, you may be familiar with SMMA or social media marketing agency, and in my opinion, SMMA is very saturated, but if that's a model that you decided to go with, you can still use GoHighlevel to manage your social media marketing agency and offer all of the features inside of GoHighlevel. With a traditional marketing agency, though, there is a really high workload and also a really high price point per client. But in my opinion, typically when you have those super high price points, anywhere from like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month, you're gonna have clients churning out a lot more than you would with a lower price point like SaaS, and also a much lower workload. So your clients are gonna stay way longer, and you're actually able to scale to way more clients than you would with a marketing agency because there's a lot less work. And with SaaS, the software is extremely sticky. So once you get a client paying on the software and using it, they get their website, they have all their conversations and their contacts already moved over to the software. It's going to be much harder for them to leave. So they're most likely just going to continue paying that monthly fee and using the software. So now let's take a look at how much you can make with SaaS. So the model is based on monthly recurring revenue. So you get a client and they're going to keep paying you every single month until they want to cancel their service. And an average price point is somewhere around $500. It could vary anywhere from $100 to $1,000 or even a little higher, but I would say $500 is usually an average price. So with just 10 clients at that $500 per month price point, you'll already be at $5,000 per month. And that's not extremely easy to do, but it's very, very attainable in the first couple months of starting. It just requires a little bit of hard work. And that just goes to show how profitable this business model is. With 10 clients, you're already at $5,000 per month. And if you look at the flip side, you see 100 clients at $500 per month. That's $50,000 per month. And by no means is 100 clients easily attainable. That's going to take, months and months of hard work, consistency, and effort. But if you were able to scale to that 100 client point, you're going to be making $50,000 per month. That's about $600,000 per year. And when you're dealing with SaaS, the workload's fairly consistent. So when you increase your number of clients, there's going to be less of an effect on the workload than if you were to compare it to a traditional marketing agency. So you're going to be able to scale that way higher than an SMMA. So that's pretty much it on the basic overview on what SaaS is, why it's the fastest growing business model, and how you're going to be using it to make money. If you want to start learning how to do this, go check out the other videos on my channel or join my Discord. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.